Mugrango ime kaunti ya Nyamira Steve Mogaka ligabaire kawesokya na gukwanira igoro yoko nata wekigambero asengana yoko nachua ebanko abakora imirimo bense ya Kenya eriko siraso murobero bwo bwagati bw'ekinyumba ase rigori eria insekegima asabere gakorwa okobore ocyasaba Kenya bonsi kwenekia bunango skabare rijikore katiba okwana ase skuru y'abamura ya Nyamira chinga kyaumerana n'abarokya banene korwa se skuru cye secondary ni Oboigo abagako mumochia advocate aserieta Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi ase ogotaska ebigambero.
We voted in a government on a manifesto that included making of houses for this republic. And those houses can only be made using taxes collected in the Republic of Kenya. It is sad that the manner in which the tax was brought in cannot stand the way laws are made in the Republic, and the courts have pronounced themselves as much. It is therefore upon us Kenyans to obey the law, and the laws include the interpretations of the law by the courts of this Republic. And therefore, at the moment, and I don't want us to import third debate here, at the moment the courts have pronounced themselves about certain tax provisions that we passed, and that remains the position until any other higher court reverses it. And while I'm at that, I want to urge our citizens to respect institutions the Constitution has put in place. And I will not hesitate nikiwa hapa nyumbani na watu wasomu kama ni nyinyi to state how embarrassed I am with one of the advocates in this republic who wants to belittle the judiciary of this republic simply because it is headed by a woman. It is the most despicable thing for an advocate of the Republic of Kenya who has got judgments in favor of his clients from the courts of the Republic of Kenya to go on rampage insulting holders of constitutional offices. It is the wrong thing to do, and I want to confirm, I'm a member of the Justice and the Legal Affairs Committee of Parliament, and I know that that person has been excommunicated from practicing law before any court